Here is the Biomate. This is for biorhythm calculations, and it's a way of backing into the numbers that we've used. The colors are a little off. For instance, the blue in this device, in this depiction, is for emotion, the green for intellectual, so that's the smaller ring, and the red is for physical. Unlike red in the other graphs I'm showing you is emotional, and intellectual is green, physical is blue. Let's say we're dealing with a 40-year-old, not that I'm disclosing my age or anything. Checking that out on the graph, I would need to set the rings at this value. From top, from blue to green to red, after the birthday has been set. And this is not by year, but by date and month. And there's some other adjustments that need to be made. But what we're showing is when we're looking up on a current date, the way the graph is and how things are aligned, we ought to be able to tie back to that same logic on our digitally generated. So call this analog and call this digital calculations. And I can verify for you that these tie back to each other for, say, July 10th. Here's July 10th. You notice how the intellectual and the emotional are on the mid-bar. Now take a look at the analog and notice that for the 10th, how they're aligned to that mid-bar. The blue is aligned to the mid, and so is the red at the bottom aligned to the mid. And this is just another way of verifying our values, verifying our calculations are accurate.